Okay, I'm reaching for application role. Okay, now click on Next. Click on Next. Okay, simply submit. Okay. Now the request is submitted. Copy the request ID. Go to your request history. Copy the request ID and search it. So it is completed. Open the request ID. It is telling this is for this account and for the running CF account. Requested admin and what is the application role? OK. Auto task. It is app role. No account request. OK. Go to task. See, it generated the task for me. Right. This role, I added one. See, the entire is for floor measure and people. So also I love that a new account also got created. Okay, cause this user don't have any account to get access to this gentleman. He should be access to the new account. I was right. So now this pass is generated right. How we processing the task? Simply, we're going to control panel. Okay. I'm opening this. Going to it. Going to prove it. Right. Click on Start. OK. And I am going to select the data was turning CF application. I'll select. No, I can't first. Always remember you should choose a new account. Otherwise it won't process your task. If you don't have any account, how you can get access to it? Right. Must have. Only you can access for you. Let the job. I'll see what happened. So we saw we are. We can request for enterprise role and enterprise rule. Also it can be a birthright. Okay, application rule, only we can request right. It is requestable. If you select the application. Now, if you go to pending task, OK. I was in the right. Is that a sister? She's new. If I first see it OK in the request. Also, you see, go to the task. You will see all are completed. I hope it username. OK. Go to your admin room. Open the user tab. Open the user. OK. See, he has a book. OK. This is when there's a link and I go to account. She got access to the registering CF application created as a request for 4045. Suppose somebody is user. They say, user have a role right. Approved. Right. So first you to investigate what is approved, simply control, click approval. Go to here and you see, if you scroll down, if there is a endpoint data as a role type application. So you will came to know right this application rule right. It is a I guess I'm rolling this. Apple is a application role type. Okay. Now you go to the user right. Is that right? Go up on. If you scroll down this database training CF application, it is given the user as a part of the request. Copy this request ID into Aries. Click Reader, go to the request tree and is the request ID. OK. Now use that question. Right. Clearly will be showing for you database training CF application is giving as a part of application rule. It will be role is application rule. Okay, the rich was there and mark this application. It is a part of database training CF application. And we are simple database training. CF application. Okay, so that's how right you can come to know how right you are. Request for application. So you got the difference. Let me take a note here. Now. We discuss all people. Okay, first, what is a role, right? As you mentioned. Role is a collection of entitlement. Okay. I could roll. We have enterprise will okay. Enterprise role allows you request for different or an enterprise role. An enterprise enter. Price role can consist of consist entitlement of different application. Okay. So same way. What is application rule? Okay, application rule. This role is specific to an application. If we create application rule for DB application, then this role will be applicable. Only DB application. Okay, this thing, we consider it then, was another point to discuss. Okay. Okay, let me give a hand here. Enterprise role. We take right. Then we discuss an application role. And what is the another point? We discuss right enterprise role. Okay, can we? Birthright or can be. Requestable. Okay, we discuss this point, right? What is the another point? Application role. Cannot be. Birthright. We can. Request for any application rule. OK. So this is the point which we discussed today, right? Interfere type of role. Like what is role? OK. So basically it should come under this category. Roles, type of roles. OK. Now we discuss enterprise products role. OK. And after that we lower the points I'll mention.